I met this customer yesterday at the parts store. They were going there to get some new battery terminals. I had some in my trunk that I wasn't using, so I gave them new battery terminals. This the one they put on yesterday, but they didn't change out the positive side. So I came, hooked my jump box up. Went back in the car, and voila. We got crank and we got power now. Some recommend a new battery. Some people would say it sounds like the starter. Yeah, it's not the, well, it could be the starter too, but the initial issue is the battery. It wasn't getting the power it was supposed to get.